adding videos to your website. So let's assume you have a folder, and inside the folder we need to add the video. Okay, so let me just go to my system and copy a video. Let me just check for any video. Okay, so let me just copy this, right click, then copy. So I'll go back to that folder. Okay, so inside the image folder I'm dropping the video there. Okay, so you can see the video. Let me rename it. I don't want gap on it so that it can be easy for me to work with. So let me just name it game instead of that. Okay, so this is enough, but I need to know the extension, so I'll go and check the extension of this video. The extension should be MP4. Okay, so let me go back now to my text editor. When I come to the text editor here, I need to declare my page, which is doctype HTML. Okay, so then open HTML page. Okay, so let's say adding, that's my title, adding videos. Okay, so now come to the body here. That's where I'm going to add the video. So for me to add video, I need to declare a video tag. So let me say video, then let me get the width and the height. So width will be, let me say, like 300. So that depends on the kind of width you want. The height also, let me make it 300. Okay, after adding the width and the height, let me add controls. My control, do I want it to be autoplay or whatever, anything I want there. So my control, let me just say control, but I can make it autoplay. So let me say autoplay. Okay, let me change it to control, just simple control. Okay, so that we do the job there. Should be small letter, not capital letter. Controls. Okay, now the link now is what is very important, and the link will be inside source. So source will give me the link and the src. Then the image is inside the video is inside the image folder. So I'm going to first of all declare the image, the folders, then slash the name of the video, which is games.mp4. Okay, so with that, you should be able to get what I actually want, and the type is video slash mp4. Okay, that's all we need. So let me just terminate this line. Okay, then terminate my video. So let me save it and then go and run it and see how it will display for me. Okay, I have this, so let me just go to the container. So from container here, I'm opening with Firefox. Okay, so this is it. This is the video. So if I play it now, you can see it's already playing. So you can see here it's already reading, it's playing already. Okay, so that is how simple it is to add videos to our website. So what we need to do is to add extra videos, let's say like 4 or 5 videos, and send it across for all to see. Thank you.